to my channel. My name is Bria. If you are new, hello, go ahead and subscribe. So today we're going to be doing a at-home facial. You know, we all want this glowy skin, but you know, spas are sometimes extremely expensive, but you know, we're at home anyway. I'm going to give you guys something to do. We're quarantined, well, not all of us, but majority of us. You know, while we're at home, you know, you're either being productive or you're just relaxing, and this is a form of relaxation. And I'm pretty sure that you guys, not you guys, we all need to relax, hands down. So let's get this facial popping and let's do it. I'm going to show you guys how to go from this to how about it? Okay, so the first thing that I did, I went ahead and tied my hair down because I like to protect those edges, and I hope you do too. And I want them all rough. So after that, I'm going to take my scrunchie and I'm just going to pull my hair back because I want a clean canvas, as you should too. Alright, perfect. Done. So now we're going to remove my makeup. This is also something that I will do at night in this routine. So let's get started.
Alright guys, so first I'm going to start with a pre-cleanse using good old Cetaphil. I will either use my Clarisonic brush or a travel size brush. Now my skin type is oily combination, and the Cetaphil facial cleanser removes excess oils and impurities without over drying my skin, and that's something that I really love. Okay, my micellar cleansing water is up next. I'm going to be using a cotton pad to remove my makeup, and this is where I remove my brows, my lipsticks, eyeshadows, things of that nature. This product is by Garnier. It is perfect for all skin types, and it's also rose water. Continuing with my rose water, I'm going to go back in with a Q-tip this time to remove my lashes. I don't like to just rip my lashes off. Oh no honey. I wouldn't recommend you did that either. Please don't. We want to keep our natural lashes attached, okay? Yes, girl, you better enjoy your natural and remain confident, honey. So I'm going to go back in with a Q-tip and rose water to remove that build up on my natural lashes. Let's remove those little crusties now. This is my final cleansing step, guys. I'm going to use a charcoal cleaning brush this time, partnered with my Lancome foaming cleanser. I'm using my charcoal facial brush because charcoal removes toxins, dead skin cells, and unclogged pores. I decided to do this facial because I've had some breakouts this week and my skin is not happy. I always use a face brush and never a face towel because my skin is extremely sensitive.
Alright guys, so keep in mind that you do not have to use every product that I'm using or the amount of products that I'm using. It's solely up to you. Like I just stated before, you should know your skin type. My skin type is oily combination. So before I begin or go any further, I'm going to go ahead and wash my hands thoroughly. Alright, there we go. Before I actually touch my face, I'm going to go ahead and wash my hands. Also, before I proceed, we all know that good skin, clear skin starts with H2O. Okay, there's no way around it. You have to drink your water. So consume your water daily for clear, glowy, natural skin if you want to. So here we go, drink up. I actually needed that very much. So yeah, you always want to stay hydrated for clear skin. So drink your waters. I would recommend a gallon a day, but I know how difficult that can be. But not a gallon a day. Definitely try to push towards that goal and make that your daily goal. And if you can't get to it, don't feel bad. Majority of us don't get to it. A lot of us don't get to it. So next I'm going to go in with my gleaming mask. This will also be linked below. It's just a vitamin C clay mask with turmeric and aloe vera. It's so healthy for the skin. I'm going to apply it with a brush.
So this glimming skin mask, it evens my skin tones and improves texture. It fades my dark spots and hyperpigmentation naturally. And plus, it comes with a free brush. What is not to love about that? Okay guys, comment below on some of your favorite masks that you're currently using right now or just in general, and also comment on your favorite skin tips. Let's engage. I would love to hear some of your opinions and just, some of the things that you guys are using.
So once my mask is 100% applied to satisfaction, before I can't move my face anymore, I'm gonna go ahead and explain this. I'm gonna let this mask sit on for a total of 10 minutes. Probably gonna call my mom back. She FaceTimed me like 3 times while I've been making this video. So I'll see you guys in 10, okay? Alright, so my mask is basically dry. While I'm waiting, I'm gonna fire up my steamer because I gotta get them pores open for my next thing. So I'm just gonna wash everything off with water using my little washcloth. I would recommend a washcloth, but toilets are downstairs.
Preparing my next step.
So when I do visit my esthetician, I always like take a record of what she is using. She uses steamer for my face, and it's very portable. I got it from Amazon. It's a nano ionic steamer. I will link it below, but it works wonders, and you can also incorporate some essential oils in it. But right now I'm just going to use like just purified water. So I'm gonna get that ready. It's gonna take about a minute or 30 seconds to a minute to heat up. So if you don't want to purchase from Amazon, you can purchase from Target, Walmart, and if you just don't want a steamer, just period, what you do is allow the water to run over the hot rag, and it's going to be steamy hot. Don't place it on your face while it's just so super hot. Give it a minute to cool, and it's still going to be steaming. You're still going to get the same steamer effect. Okay, here we go. It's only been 30 seconds. Oh my God, guys, look. It was a lot, but no makeup. That means I was very clean. It kind of looks like a little butterfly. It does, like a little butterfly. Alright, on to the steamer.
So the benefit of facial steaming, it makes your skin more receptive to other skincare treatments, and it enhances your circulation. Look guys, it's only been around 45 seconds and my skin is almost drenched. I don't even have the steamer near my face. Wow.
And also, with what's going on right now, a face steamer alone will just be good for your health in general right now. If you're feeling any type of coldness or sickness or illness or any symptoms, get a face steamer. Do some regimens at home, and I promise you might feel better. It's a theory of mine. I'm not guaranteeing it, but it is a theory. All right, I'm gonna wrap this up now. Pretty much done with this. Moving on.
So now I'm just going to gently pat my skin dry. That mask definitely made my skin all glowy-ish. I'm now applying my Dior Plump Smooth Bum Mask. This is a part of their Hydra Life collection. I'm going to apply it with a brush. This mask is super lightweight. It will soon disappear. It can be used 2 to 3 times per week. So this is my solution for loss of firmness, elasticity, dullness, and uneven skin texture. I'm just going to allow it 3 minutes to dry before I proceed. Popping off with the lips, I am using a sugar scrub to exfoliate and provide moisture to the lips so that they can stay nice and nourished and plump. Look at there, nice, soft, and smooth. Moving to the beloved serums, I'm using my One Essential Boosting Serum by Dior. I'm going to apply a small amount to gently pat, then massage to my face. Applying my next serum, I'm a tad bit sad because I'm almost out of this serum. This is the Capture Youth Maximize Serum by Dior. I'm also going to apply a tad bit to gently pat to my skin. I'm going to massage this serum with my rose quartz facial roller. Facial rolling is extremely relaxing and distressing. This roller supports lymphatic drainage to reduce the appearance of puffiness and wrinkles. And guys, what I like to do, I like to freeze my roller. Trust me, it's extremely relaxing. I like to go in with my Nikeo, Maracuja, and Yango oil. This oil is high in unsaturated fatty acids that helps to create a gentle barrier on the skin. I'm going to gently massage the oil upward. Moisturizing time using Dior Capture Youth Age Delay Moisturizing Cream. I feel so relaxed right now. We definitely want to stop the progression of fine lines and wrinkles using this cream. Going in with my eye treatment by Dior. This treatment targets puffiness, dark circles, fine lines, and wrinkles. I'm going to be extremely careful when I'm going around my eyes. Depending on day and night, whether or not I use my Lancome Genevieve collection. I love this collection, by the way, Lancome. I also use my moisturizer and my serums on my neck. Now, I know your grandmother instilled in you when you were younger to use your moisturizer to keep those wrinkles off that neck, honey. So going back to my lips, I'm going to use this Dior Lip Plumper. And I am almost out of this product as well. No. So this product just gives me the shine that I desperately need. And also it offers a plumping effect for my lips. Now using my Dior Hydra Life Cream, the translucent blue texture offers a splash of freshness that instantly invigorates my skin. Keep in mind that you do not have to use the same products that I am using. Okay, I'm just going to massage going upward. I actually would like to try the Dermalogica brand. Recommend below the products that you guys will use from their brand if you use their brand. Wait, there's more. So I actually like to exfoliate my hands, and this product is from Premier. This is a Dead Sea Salt Scrub. I'm actually right above my sink. So now I'm just going to wash my hands and then pat them dry with a towel. So this product is actually for my face, but I use it for my hands as well. It's the Dior Dream Skin, and I promise it definitely blurs imperfections. It's kind of like a soft concealer to me. It leaves my hands so soft and so smooth. I love this product. Okay, there you have it. We are all done. Everyone, please stay safe out there. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I love you. Bye, guys. Peace. See you on the next video.